How to add Giphy into Google Slides. So guys, I'm going to show you two ways that you can insert Giphy, a GIF file in Google Slides. So let me show you. First, go to the Giphy and you can just open the any GIF file and just click on the right. You can click on save as, and this file will be saved as a GIF image. If there is a web page, then you don't need to save it, because this file will be saved in web page, so it won't be inserted in Google Slides. So just select the GIF file which has this file type. Now has been, I have to save it. Now go to the Google Slide and just select the slide, go to the insert and go to the image, upload for computer, and find where you have saved this file and just insert. Then this file will be inserted here and it will be play. So it will be work from if your presentation is offline, but you can also insert the Giphy file on Google Slides. Go to the Giphy, open the these slides, sorry, GIF file, and go to the share, and here you can copy the GIF link. Go to the Google Slide, go to the insert and go to the image again and click on the by URL. Just click on URL, this file will be open, and go to the insert, then by URL this file will be open. So it will be work only off online. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.